应该是你 PPT 跟 Zoom 不在同一。
我的背景调了吗？我看一下，我视频开一下。
好的，出现了你的海岛画面，非常好。应该是你 PPT 跟 Zoom 不在同一。
我的背景调了吗？我看一下，我视频开一下。
好的，出现了你的海岛画面，非常好。应该是你 PPT 跟 Zoom 不在同一。
我的背景调了吗？我看一下，我视频开一下。Hello everyone, welcome to Hikvision
现在你的海
MEA
岛画
Open
面
Course.
非常好。应该是你 PPT 跟 Zoom 不在同一。
我的背景调了吗？我看一下，我视频开一下。Hello everyone, welcome to Hikvision. Hello everyone, welcome to Hikvision MEA Open Course. Okay, today we are going to bring something different, okay? Refer to the topic of intelligent traffic systems. This is Naeem from Hikvision MEA R&D team. Okay, you can just click the link or scan the QR code to check in. Because most of the topics that we're talking about is about CCTV, right? So today we are going to introduce about intelligent traffic systems, one of the spotlight product about the traffic due to the checkpoint. And any questions, you can feel free to ask. Thanks, Engineer Sammy. Nice meeting you too. All right. Hello, everybody. Welcome to Hikvision MEA Open Course. Okay, today we bring the topic of checkpoint camera with Hikvision Darkfighter X. So if you get familiar with Hikvision's product systems, normally for the Darkfighter X product, we applied more in the CCTV, traditional CCTV, right? And also in the PTZ cameras. And today we bring you the different experience into the intelligent traffic systems. Okay, so we are about to start in 4 minutes. And you can just leave the comments to us through our official social media account that if you prefer any new topics from Hikvision MEA open course, you can leave comments and we will try to check if we can provide such kind of content in the 2025. Okay, dears, we will start our sessions in 2 minutes. Okay, today we are trying to bring you the new topic of Hikvision checkpoint cameras with Darkfighter X. Okay, we will talk about the issues that we are facing in our daily and check what kind of values that we can bring by Hikvision solutions. You can scan the QR code here or just click the link in the chat box to check in to get the 2000 HPB credits. And later, after our sessions, we will provide the quiz game. For today's quiz game, all the questions are just true or false, okay? 10, true or false. We'll try to make it easy. Okay, and the first rank, we will provide 12,000 of HPB credits. So hurry up. Okay, so let's start for today's sessions. Hello, everyone. This is Naeem speaking from Hikvision MEA R&D team. Okay, today we are going to present a new topic regarding for the checkpoint cameras with Darkfighter X. Okay, you can feel free to check in by scanning the QR code here on the slide or just click the link there in the chat box. And anything questions, just feel free to ask. And our technical expert and our engineer Vera will be there to give explanation, okay, in the chat box. Okay, let's go for the content today. Okay, the topic that we are going to provide, okay, the name, it's called Darkfighter X checkpoint, or the checkpoint cameras with Darkfighter technologies. The content today, it will be including 4 parts, which including the overview introduction for the Hikvision cameras, okay, with Darkfighter X on checkpoint solutions, and also the product introductions with the key features, and also the cool technologies, how to make it so powerful, and also the landed successful case, okay, because all the technologies and products that we present that already been deployed and delivered the project into actual use and application. Okay, let's see. It's a very interesting topic, okay? Our colleagues and friends, okay, in your daily, I believe that you drive a lot, right? Drive a lot. And normally, most of the traffic camera in your daily that deployed in the checkpoint, it plays a very important role, right? For the traffic management. What to use to benefit from reduce the risk of traffic incidents, illegal events, for example, like overspeed, right? Seatbelt making phone calls, and so on. But we know on the other side, in order to make better capturing performance, because you know the vehicle is driving so fast, it is very difficult to capture it. Even sometimes for some illegal drivings, the overspeed can reach to like more than 160, right? 200 kilometers per hour. So it's very difficult to capture it because the quicker of the explosion time, that means the smaller or the litter of the light amount that comes to a sensor. So the image performance will be facing a certain challenge, right? So what do we do? What do we do? So in order to ensure the capture quality, so normally the common solution is try to deploy a supplement light, which we call flashlight in the night. Normally we provide solutions like IR flashlight or white flashlight. Flashlight, it means when the vehicle comes, when the target comes, it will give a certain light explosion, boom, right? And give a strong light supplement at that moment so that it will provide a very good capture performance, right? But of course, if you see in these solutions, we get a very good capture the image quality, but the certain troubles that it brings, what is it? It's a very bad, let's say, heavy light pollution. So if you drive and go past such kind of checkpoint systems, sometimes your eyes will be shined, right? It is too brightness that it will bring a certain risk for the drivers. So this is what we are trying to face and the pinpoint that meet in the checkpoint systems. Okay, so as it shown here, now with such kind of situation and challenges, more and more project or the end user or countries that they require that it ensures the capture performance with colorful image. It's okay. We prefer the colorful image because the colorful image, that means we can provide more details, right? In both day and night. But of course, at the same time, no more light pollution in any of the visual disturbance that could compromise the driver safety. So here is some billing items for the requirement as we met in our daily. So we can see the billings the users were just mentioned. He said camera types, right? Camera types have specific light requirement. All proposed solution must undergo testing and approval by the ministry. Yes, because they contribute. And the ministry mandates that lighting must not cause visual disturbance that could compromise driver safety while ensuring optimal image quality. See, this is the common requirement for the current solutions on the checkpoint systems, right? So it's more and more important. So that can we have a solution to meet all what we mentioned above and on the benefit, reduce light pollution, but still provide a very good colorful image in both vehicle and drivers in day and night. Possible? Sure, of course. Here comes the Hikvision checkpoint cameras, with Darkfighter X. Checkpoint cameras with unique Darkfighter X technology. So such kind of series cameras, it provides white light solutions and also IR light solutions due to different application requirement. If it is a kind of IR requirement solutions, so we can use IR supplement light. But if you prefer the colorful image, so you can use the white light, it's okay. So for the white light solutions, the camera featured with high performance 1-inch dual GMOS sensors. The size of the sensor is huge. It's huge, 1-inch. Because for the common like line 1, line 2, or even line 7 series cameras, it's smaller than 1-inch, right? But still already provide a very good performance. But now for traffic cameras, we can see the camera sensor is 1-inch, and also it provides dual sensor, GMOS, dual GMOS sensors, maximum 9 megapixels to cover maximum 3 lanes. One camera for 3 lanes maximum. And the colorful low illumination performance, it can reach to 0.005 lux. And do you remember what is the low illumination performance for the color view? 0.0001, right? So very good performance. And matched supplement light integrated with 3 different types of the supplement light in just one supplement light, which including the strobe light, white light, and also dark fighter. Yes, thank you, Engineer Sammy. For the dark fighter technologies, it means a series of cameras with a very good low illumination performance. Okay, it's a name of the series. For example, let's say engineer Sammy is a very experienced and good engineer. Experienced and good engineer, it's a kind of name, right? If we said Vera and Naim is also very experienced, that means it has a certain good technical capabilities. So it means a very good certain features. So dark fighter. Dark fighter, it means it can provide us a very good low illumination performance during the night. Even the light is very poor, right? The environment, very limited environment light, but the camera will still be able to provide us a very brightness and colorful image. So this is what we call dark fighter. So if you refer to Hikvision's cameras, if you find the cameras has an icon, specific icon, promoted icon, he said, color view, dark fighter, that means such kind of series, camera series, it has a certain kind of features, just like you, Engineer Sammy, right? Thank you for your question. It's very good. Okay, so we continue. Both of the two solutions, it support traffic incident and event detections of AMPR, license plate recognition functions, seat belt detections, right? And event detections, okay, like phone calling, right, and so on. And also, even for the model of TCV900-HEMF, if it is end with F, it means the traffic capture unit, it will provide the features of face capture as well. Face capture for what? For the driver and for the front passengers. Later, we will provide a live demo. It's installed there, just right there on the road. We can see the performance, okay? So we can use the captured pictures as a part of the site control, checkpoint controls, okay? Any height standards for the installation? Yes. So commonly, as you can see on the highway or expressways there on the road, normally such kind of camera installations is, for example, like 6 meters high, right? And the measurement distance can be like 25 or 30 meters far in a certain distance, like such kind of solutions. If you want more, later we can explain it. It's okay. Masal Haley, World Technologies Engineers. Okay, continue. Okay, so we can see here it shows actual capturing performance. Sorry. Here it shows the actual capture performance between the common checkpoint systems and new checkpoint systems with Darkfighter X, as we experienced. And the image performance in both day and night increased a lot, we can see, right? Like the IR mode in daytime. There is no color distortion and capture color images, especially for the window capture rate. As we can see here, it increased more than 25% average capture rate. And the window capture rate, it refers to the percentage of facial captures obtained by the traffic camera that successfully penetrate through the vehicle's window. Because as we know, the vehicle's front window, it will stop the light, right? So it's very difficult to capture clear image for the driver and the front passenger's face. Okay, so it measures the effectiveness of capturing clear and identifiable facial images of individuals inside the vehicle. So generally speaking, the new checkpoint systems with Darkfighter X on the benefits and advantages of below. First, very important, reduce the light pollution. Reduce light pollutions instead of the white flashlight boom to ignore and bring the visual blind for the drivers, right? The numbers of light beams in the capture unit is reduced to just 4 pieces. And the supplement light add grating and reduce LED stereo light as well. Okay. And also second, very important point is about deep learning image effect upgraded. Deep learning, okay, reduce requirements on environmental brightness, solves the problem of image color bias, and improves image color restoration degree, and increase the overall image restoration degree, so that it will provide a very good captured performance. And the last point is about the intelligence upgrade. It's used to solve the problem of license plate overexposure, reduce the capture delay from 150 microseconds to 75 microseconds. So those are the performance increasement. So we can see here the capture performance, right? It's very good. Later we can show the live demo. So it can be widely recommended to applied in the scenarios like the checkpoint, highway, city road, and so on, any areas. So in case of anything light pollutions, and also enhance the capture rate. And we provided two different types of lens with first is 25 millimeters for maximum three lens maximum 25 millimeters. And another is 50 millimeters, longer distance, capture distance, but just for two lens. Why? Because the smaller of the lens, it means the larger of the angle. It's from the optical basics, right? For vehicle checkpoint, driver and passenger face. But for the face capture, only for the models with F, and with F. So we explained so much about the product introduction, right? So what is the key technology behind the device that realize such kind of powerful or incredible high performance? What is the secret? As we explained from the name, of course, it's about the Darkfighter X, Darkfighter X. So for Darkfighter technologies, we have Darkfighter 1.0, we have Darkfighter 2.0, we have Darkfighter X, right? So if you want more technology information, you can refer to our official website on more technologies and informations. Here, we just focus on the Darkfighter X technology. As we can see the image topology here, we can see what? It has one spectric prism. That means just one lens, right? One lens, the technical secret. It's just one lens and dual sensor. This is a key technologies. So all the captured image output is not just captured for once. Actually, it's a kind of combined and staged image, okay? So secret for understanding capture and image performance is about dual sensor technologies, which consist of infrared light sensor in the upper infrared light sensor, which focus for the brightness. It's mainly captured for the brightness information, while another is about visible light sensor for the color information. So each of the capture actually inside the camera is captured for twice. One capture for the brightness information of the object, and another capture is a capture about the colorful information. And then they combine together to achieve the final pictures with vibrant colors and exceptional brightness combined. And also this is a technology for Darkfighter X wheel in line 7, line 8, and also the PTZ Darkfighter X technologies. Same technologies. Great. And another part is about the automatic conversion gain technologies, which called ACG technologies. By adopting the new image sensor, the new sensor, very sensitivity, advanced sensors, it actively adapts the image sensor parameters to achieve the best signal to noise ratio, ensuring more details and less noise. So as we can see here in the image, compared with the previous common solutions, the captured pictures, noise reduction performance generally increased. If tested by the professional tools, you can see the performance increased more than 20% for the clarity to provide more details, especially for the situations for the vehicle captures. So quick, right? 120, 100 kilometers per second, just that second, we can provide more in case of anything blurred, right? Image blurring. What's more, the application of vehicle key point detection and cab features detection by the large model algorithms helps the cameras to have a more powerful and accurate detection and identification performance. For example, the analysis of illegal behaviors in the driver's cabin, such as not wearing seatbelt, making phone calls during the drive, right? Or using mobile phones while driving. It's very dangerous, right? So we're trying to avoid. So the key technologies to realize is about below. First, leverage active learning with large visual neural networks. This is the fundamental of the algorithms to extract valuable data and facilitating adaptive iterations and to support the algorithm with high value data. And distill large models into edge and business models to quickly enhance business model capabilities. We deploy the algorithms into the edge models, the device itself. So it's offline deployment. Implement intelligent scoring for multi-behaviors, assign low scores to illegal actions that not discernible by human eye to minimize false alarms, to increase alarm accurate. Okay, and for the VKD, it's mainly to locate the positions of car windows. VKD, video, video can't. Okay, is that vehicle key point detection, and the CFD, it means the cab feature detections, mainly to analysis seat belt and phone use violations, detect objects such as holding a baby or holding something in front of seat, because most of the countries, they ruled if you have baby, you should keep the baby in the baby seat, in the rear seat, right? T-shirt box and honey decorations and so on. Such kind of algorithms. And the last, we will show up a successful case about our checkpoint systems with Darkfighter X. We already deployed such kind of solutions. So let's see how it works. Here, there's a city. They deployed the cameras with Darkfighter X checkpoint projects. It uses Darkfighter X checkpoint cameras with all-in-one supplement light, but each light is just focused for one lane, okay? So that you can see, you can hardly identify. It is doing the explosion, light flashing, right? You can tell. It's not like what we faced in our daily, very strong white light, right? And effectively reduce the light pollution during the night. And also, driver face can be sent to back-end software for face comparison, and also very good seat belt and phone call use violation detection functions. So just for one camera, very powerful. We can see the capture performance. It's good. Okay, so this is all about the introduction part of the cameras, checkpoint cameras with Darkfighter X. Okay, normally deployed in the project site. So do you have any questions regarding such kind of solutions? So we can give a further explanation. Okay, everybody, do you have any questions? Okay, any colleagues and friends? If you're just newly joined, please you can scan the QR code to check in, or just click the link in the chat box. أي سؤال؟ Okay, in this case, let's have a trial about the live demo. Okay, we deployed a live demo device here on the road. So let's see how's incredible performance. Okay, so let's see. For the ITS solutions, normally we recommend it if it is a kind of large project. We recommend it to use with the Accenture Master. If it's pure light, it means HCM light, Accenture Master Light. But of course, if for the basic functions, we can use HCP as well. It can work, no problem. White flash means have to pay much. Alhamdulillah. So here we get a live demo. We get a live demo on the street. So this is a live view of the systems. Okay, let's go to the configuration to check. Okay, the model is different. Okay, it's 9796, another models. So we can see the first is about application mode. So it's kind of mixed traffic lane. So we set the working mode as checkpoint systems, and also detected. We can select it, for example, lane 1, lane 2, seat belt, right? Phone calls, anything, all the different algorithms based on it. And then scan mode configuration. Scan mode, now we deployed it in the urban road here. And the capture type, we captured for the moto, non-motor vehicles with the bicycles, because in China, right? And pedestrian, and the capture mode is flash. And speed detection mode, no, currently we didn't linkage for the radar, but if you have it, you can link. And then we can configure and join the lane line. Okay, totally, as we mentioned, we can provide 3 lanes. Okay, this is the test mode, so it can have 4 lanes, but normally 25 millimeters, it can provide support to 3 lanes. Okay, and 15 millimeters, it can support maximum 2 lanes. So you can join lane 1, lane 2, lane 3. So it's just a test mode. Okay, you can join it and save. And another is about the capture parameters. You can select the license parameters. It's Europe, Middle East, or something. Because this is a test models. Actually, the algorithm is for overseas market. So later, when we perform the demo, you'll find the MPI recognition rate is 0 because we deploy the systems in China. Okay, and more important is about the supplement light parameters. This is very important. Which lane you just captured, you just connected, which light. So it's kind of strobe light mode. And the light compensation mode is checkpoint and along with the violation. And you can configure the time schedule, because it can work with white light, R light, and different modes. So you can schedule for it, or maybe auto switch. Another next is about the capture image. So you can configure the parameters of it, like nighttime shutter white light sensors, the sensors parameters, and also day gain, night gain parameters. Okay, strobe light supplement mode is flash when vehicle passing, but you can see from the images, hardly it has the performance of the flash. So it's a R light flash, right? R light flash, but captured with a colorful image. And the scan mode is expressway. Okay, Last is about the advanced traffic status parameters, system service, and so on. Okay, after configure it, we can check about actual performance. So this is a live view, right? Here we are just logging onto the web client. So we can perform an on to see what exactly about the capture performance. So we can see here, the vehicle is coming. Okay, we check for the vehicles. Okay, see, coming 1, 2, 3, here. Okay, so we selected one vehicles. So this is the capture performance. So we enlarge the image. Okay, so this is the captured. Okay, and second test. Here, enlarge. Okay. So see, here is the capture performance. And we can see first, the whole image overview, general view of the image is colorful, right? It's colorful. But for the vehicle window, it's black and white. It's black and white. Why? Because it's kind of IR flashlight. So, but it provides a very clear driver's face performance. It's a test mode. It's a test mode. And all the vehicle informations here, just on the below of the text overlay here. You can see the capture performance is extremely good, right? Try another one. Okay. Oh, this is a bicycle capture, right? Okay. Oh, it's overburst urgent. Okay. This one. Okay, we can see it's another captured Audi, right? Plate number and the drivers. So the whole image is colorful, it's colorful. And we didn't feel any of the light flash due to the actual performance, right? And the driver's face, it's quite clear. And if you linkage with the radar, so you can display the vehicle speed as well. All right. Okay, so this is about the live demo part. Do we have any questions? Hello, everybody. Yes, if you have any questions, you can feel free to ask. Okay, if nothing more, we can start for the quiz game, okay? Okay. Okay, everybody. You can scan the QR code or just click the link so we can have the quiz game. The top rank, we will provide 12,000 HPP credits. Okay, we have 3 participants. Okay, we just send the quiz link. Oh, LED, thanks for engineer Omar Kenneth. LED grating. Grating, that means because of the LED, the flashlight itself, it consists with 2 parts. One part is about the outer LED light. For the white LED light, because we provide 2 LED, two flashlight. One is called white LED light. That means the outer ring, the outer LED light on the outer ring, it is white light. Warm white light with very dim power. And in the center, it is kind of white flashlight. And the grating filter, when it works, it will just cover the whole. It's just like kind of ICR, somehow just like the ICR filter. So it will just cover the whole LED light. And when the light explosion, it will just come out for the IR light. This is architectures of the LED granting shield. Hello, Engineer Americanis. Hope that I can explain it good. So any further questions? Yes, very good questions. Because we provide two lights. So anyone more want to join? It's 9. So can we have one more? So because we will have 6, okay, top 6. So if you're only 9, that means your scoring and top link is one more, yes. Engineer game, Farouk, asphalt. Okay, can we have one more? So we just count down for 10 seconds. Great. Because for today's quiz game, I just make it easy because it's just a true or false. Okay, it's just a true or false. So make it quick. Okay, make it quick. Okay, count down for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so 50% of your price ratio. Okay, Engineer Sammy, just say come on. Okay, 50%, and everybody, good luck. Okay. And for the first question, please just leave your email address. Okay, leave your email address and your name so that once you win your prize, we can contact with you. This is very important, okay? It's difficult because it's referred to the new area, okay? It's not same as a traditional CCTV product. It's a new region for the intelligent traffic system. So in the future of the MEA open course, we'll try to bring more project relevant so that it can also give a new explosion, a new possibility in your further project as well. Oh, it's very good. Engineer game through 4 group. Oh, great. Come on. Oh, very good, very good. Hurry up. Great. Now the top is engineer game 4 group and Mr. Osman. Yes. Engineer Ayman. Yes, very good. Always coming for the top 3. Oh, really? Great. Change to top 1. Muhammad Sharhoub. Engineer Hassan Shakir. Oh, Engineer Sammy. Great. Oh, great, great, great. Very good job. Very good job. So all is true or false. Oh, Engineer Hassan Shakir. Ah, very good. Nice score. Very good. So anyone? Anyone? Okay, we count down for 10 seconds. It's just a true or false, right? Easy. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, that's it. Thanks for your participate. Congrats for the top 3, but actually we will take for top 6, okay? Top 6. So congrats for Engineer Hassan Shakir. You win the 12,000 HPP credit, and Engineer Ayman and Engineer Game Farouk. Okay, second prize. Yes, very nice. Thank you, Engineer Ayman. And for Engineer Osman, Engineer Hassan, and yes, we have a new colleague, Asfal. Okay, you win the third prize with 6,000 HPP credit. Okay, later we will contact with you for details for your HPP one hack ID and so on. All right, so thank you. This is all about today's sessions. This is our first trial for to bring the ITS topics. And on Friday, same time, Dubai time, 4 p.m., we bring the also the new sessions of the device called TCM, traffic capture monitoring, camera monitoring for the city urban AMPR captures, the new cameras as well for as a part of ITS solutions. So welcome to join, and you got another chance to win the prize. Okay. Thank you, dears. Bye bye. This is for all about it.